Hey everyone, lost access to your Worldcoin account? Don't worry, here's a step-by-step guide to help you restore it quickly. First of all, open the World app on your device. Agree to the terms and conditions by ticking the box and select the option to sign in to an existing account. Always choose existing account to register your previous account. Next, choose how you'd like to restore your account. Use iCloud if you are on iOS. Use Google Drive if you are on Android. Keep in mind cross-platform recovery, like switching from Android to iOS, is not supported at this time. If you have backed up your account on the same device, a list of backups will appear. Simply select the backup you want to restore and continue. If no backup is detected, you will be prompted to enter your account password. Type in your password to restore access. Remember, World app doesn't store your password or private keys, so make sure you enter it correctly. Once you have entered the correct password or selected a backup, your account will be restored. And just like that, you are back in. That's how you restore your WorldCoin account. For more helpful tips, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.